Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And guess what today is? It is grab bag day. I know I had to grab this one. I already can tell it's small, but you guys, I have 4 bags to show you today. So today's Tuesday, by the way, the 18th of January. So get out there. I believe they came out today. So go check them out. But first, let's see what we've got. These are Sizer, and they are Easy Patterns HTV, and they're basically vinyl. They're heat transfer vinyl for your Cricut, your silhouette. It's vinyl. So I'm trying to see what the original price was. $24.99, and then they marked it down. I can't read what the markdown price is, but it looks like maybe $12, half price. So we've got this, and you can see cute. We've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So even if they were $1 a piece, I would still get them $2 extra. Look at this one, it's tie-dye. Right? So cute. Another one of these guys. Now for my extras, I'm going to put them up on my Etsy shop. So as craft supplies. This is another, that's like a fun tribal print. Right? Another one of these. Definitely going to put them up because I don't need 3. I'll probably keep one of each. And then this one is also, it's heat transfer. This has like very Hawaiian. So can you see that? And then I got 2 of those. So really nice. For $5, you can't go wrong. I mean, if you have spent money on good vinyl before, and I use Sizer, so I'm happy with that. I knew exactly. I was able to see it through. I couldn't see any of the patterns or anything, but I was able to see that it was Sizer, and so I knew that it was vinyl, so I knew that was going to be a good buy. This one I got because it had the Artist Loft paint by numbers on here sticking out. And again, I think that was $14.99 is what it had, but let's open it up. I saw that, and I'm like, I don't really do paint by numbers, but when I started feeling around, I'll show you in just a bit. So this is a paint by numbers kit. Cute little, is that like Venice maybe? I don't know, but that one might go up on my Etsy shop as well, just because I don't do paint by numbers. I did not know what these are, but now I'm seeing tissue paper. We've got 1, 2 white of tissue paper and 3 green tissue papers. I don't know what the cost of those would be, but I mean, there's 5 right there. Oh, we've got some more tissue paper coming out. These are, oh, these are nice. $3.99 for this one. This is also $3.99, but those are nice springy colors. So usually it's the past things that have left, right? Like Halloween. I did see some Halloween stuff there. So like Christmas, Halloween. Now, I didn't see Christmas, and they still had Christmas on the shelves at the one that I went to, which is in Peoria. These are plastic beads, originally $13.99, then it was marked down clearance to $10. So there's those, and how cute are those in that bright, springy 80s color. But this is what I was feeling. Oh, no, not this one. How cute is this? This is an original $6.39, and then I got it for $5. It is a little bent, but I've straightened it out just by turning it. How cute is that? That's a cute little guy there. And then this is what I wanted. What was the original price? Probably just a couple bucks. $11.99. It's a flower mold. That's what I wanted. I felt around in there. So I grabbed the flower mold, silicone. Thought it was so adorable to make. You can make little flower cupcakes and stuff like that. I thought that was cute. This other one only has a few things in it, but I was able to see through there and saw that it is a sticker water bottle. So let's open this up and see what else came with it. Originally $13.99, then went on clearance for place cards. That is nice. They're like a rose gold place marker. This is steam powered weather station, originally $20.99, and then they had it on clearance for $15. I had seen that. I didn't see it through this one, but I did see, and I thought, I'll show you the next one. I saw that would be good for the grandkids. And then here we go. This is the sticker water bottle. So it is a nice little water bottle with glitter there. And then you've got some stickers, and there will be things to put on. I hope. Yeah, it looks like it has not been opened. So I thought that was cute. Definitely good for $5 plus all the other stuff for sure. And then we've got this. I'll show you what I saw. I will show you. Let's see. I may be going to another Michael's to check it out. But look at all this stuff in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 different boxes of stuff. But check this one out. An air marker sprayer. That's what I'm like, oh my gosh. I stuck that in my basket so fast. So you put your marker in there and you can spray. I don't know if my little markers will fit in there. Electric powered airbrush like a pro. Originally $41.99, and they had it on clearance for $25. It didn't get sold, so I got it for $5. Woohoo! Super excited about that. And then this is a Discovery Luminex science kit. It looks like we are making glowing slime. There's 3 activities, originally $19.99, on clearance for $14. So we've got that. You know what? My Christmas gifts might already be bought. Birthday gifts, all that. Another STEM powered kit. This one originally $24.99, marked down to $17, and it is an intruder alarm robot. So how fun would that be? What are the ages? Because mine are 5 and 8. For ages over 8. So there you go. I was looking at this to get one for Christmas. It is a dream catcher. Again, STMT. I don't know what that brand is, but it gives you enough stuff to make a nice little dream catcher. It's got some alphabet looking things on there. This will be fun. That's for me. What else? We got our last thing in here. And this one's all tore up. Very tore up. It is a doodle, draw, and sketch. Originally $47.99. No way. 15 unique templates. Magic sketch. 7-year battery life. see-through screen, easy tracing. Oh, maybe it is that price. Holy smokes, because you can save, edit, and share on your iPhone or your, Apple iPhone. MagicSketch.com. It has its own thing. Now look, it's all crazy and torn apart, but I will be opening this, and that might be fun for, look. Can you see? Somebody else has been playing with it. I'm definitely going to be opening this guy right after the camera goes off. So let me know in the comments below if you think I should go check out another Michaels. I definitely think I should. These were some great little finds. So they still had a ton when I got there. There were 3 of us waiting for it to open, and then they opened like 15 minutes late. So I think if you get down there today, you might be able to find some. I don't know. It all depends on your area. I'm going to go check out another one today. Let me know if you want to see the haul, and I will talk to you later. Bye!